Good day! In this video, we are going to try and solve question 2b, part 3 of the 2022 NCEA Table, Equation and Graph paper. And without further ado, let's do question 2b, part 3. This question is an excellent question, so we're going to do it slowly, okay? Hemi threw a ball upwards from the same window 9 meters above the ground. So he's here, he threw a ball downwards, okay? Also in a parabola path. The ball reaches its maximum height. The maximum height is here, okay? At 0.5 is reached at the maximum height at the horizontal 0.5 meters from the base of the apartment. Okay. The ball landed on the ground at a distance of 6 meters. So that point here, from 0 to 6, that point here is going to be 6, 0. X is 6, Y is 0, okay? From the base of the building. Find the equation of the path that models the path of the ball that it landed on the ground. So we need to find the equation of this graph, okay? Use your equation to find the maximum height above the ground. It sounds difficult, but if you understand parabola, it should be quite easy. So if this point is 6, 0, parabola is symmetrical, exactly here. So here to here is 5.5, here to here is 5.5. So the next point here on this side had to be -5 and 0. Because the midpoint between -5 and 6 is 0.5. Okay, so that is the next point. Once we know these 2 points, we can form a general equation. Remember, the graph has 2 equations. Y equals to A, X minus A, X minus B. Or the previous example, we did Y equals to A, X minus A squared plus B. Since this point is a whole number, -5 and 6 is a whole number, we expect you to do this equation. So what is minus A and minus B? If this is -5, it becomes a +5. If it is +6, it becomes a -6. So it's going to be A, the general equation will be X plus 5, because it's a -5 there. The coordinate is -5, become a +5, and a +6 here become X minus 6. That's the general equation. The next step we're going to do is we are going to find the value of A. A is called the scale factor. I'm going to write here, A is called the scale factor. What's the purpose of the scale factor? If it is a big number, say 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 1, that graph is going to be narrow. I mean, it will be shrinker, okay? If it is a fraction like 0.1, 0.4, then it's going to be this way. It will be less steep, okay? So now our job is to find the value of A. So we know this point here, 0, 9. So X is 0, Y is 9. So when X equals to 0, Y equals to 9, we are going to substitute that value into that equation here, and we can solve for A. So instead of Y, okay, instead we have Y, instead of Y, we're going to replace with 9 equals to A. A is what we want to find. X is 0, so 0 plus 5 is going to be 5. 0 minus 6 is going to be -6. Now we're going to solve this. So you multiply them, minus 30A, because 5 times -6 is -30A, that is equals to 9. A equals to -9 over 30. And if you put in your calculator, it's going to be -0.3. So once you found your A, you're going to put that number here into that equation. So Y equals to -0.3, X plus 5, X minus 6. Okay, that will give you a merit. The next question is use this equation to find the maximum height. The maximum height occurs when X equals to 0.5. So we're going to substitute maximum height, okay? Maximum height is when X equals to 0.5. Then we're going to substitute 0.5 into that equation. So Y, or the highest height, equal to -0.3. 0.5 plus 5.5 is 5. 0.5 plus 5 is 5.5. 0.5 minus 6 is -5.5. Put in your calculator, and the answer will come up to 9.075 meters. So the maximum height here is going to be happening at 9.075 meters. So that is the whole question. If you can answer that, a big E for you and a 7-pointer in this question. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you in the next question, which is also an excellent question. That is part 4. Cheers.